I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Essential Blocks. Fetch it. Now go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Form submitted successfully. Go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, choose a unique value, for example form ID, in every form submitted. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Choose a unique key. Set action. Search and select an action drip. Give here the drip API token. So please visit drip user settings. Copy the API token and paste it on the integration site. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose an account. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in actions and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the drip dashboard. Under the people, navigate to the active. Here you can see that the data came successfully in the drip. Thanks for watching.